Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi A3, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove screen lock. Now, as you can see, the device is already unlocked, so let me just slap it like this, and now it's locked. So without a fingerprint or the pattern, which I have set, you won't be able to get into the device. And to remove this, we'll just begin by powering off the device. So hold the power key, select power off, and wait for it to actually shut off. And once you hear the vibration, you can then begin holding power key and volume up. Yeah, you can let go. And you should see the Android with no command. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold power, tap volume up, and we're now in Android recovery mode. And from here, we'll use volume keys to navigate. So volume down to go down and volume up to go up. And power key will be used to confirm whatever we select. And with that in mind, let's select wipe data factory reset right here. Confirm with the power, and then again select yes to confirm this. Get a message at the bottom, should say wipe data complete, like it does right now. And you should have reboot system now selected by default, so all you need to do is just press power key like so and wait for the device to reboot. Now, it might be taking a little bit longer to power back on than it normally does, considering it's continuing to do the hard reset of the device in the background. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. And I'll be back once that's actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as you like, and there won't be any more lock screen there. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.